For this video, we will be showing you how to create a voicemail box as well as edit and configure currently made ones. To get to the voicemail section on your dashboard, go to the left of the screen and click on voicemail, and it brings up this screen here. As you can see, I've already created two. They're sitting there, an after hours and a busy voicemail. To configure those or edit those, you simply click on the little cog and brings up there. To create a new one, you press the plus new voicemail box and it'll bring up the add voicemail box. Pop a name or description here, and I'm just going to call mine test. If you would like a greeting, you can pop that in. Again, you can record the sounds or upload the sounds as need be. You can receive an SMS when the voicemail is sent. Simply pop in the number here, and you can actually have the caller's number as the sender of the SMS so that you're notified that. And again, you can also receive an email in regards to the voicemail, and you can have it attached. Now, when you listen to the voicemail, if this is selected as on, it will play the caller ID. And again, if this one is on, it will play the time of the call. They're your basic settings. In advanced settings, in terms of the play the greeting, instead of inviting the caller to leave a message, you can play a specific sound or file that you wish or message that you wish and then hang up if need be. So that they're just a specific advanced option if need be. Retain messages, how long you wish to retain the message for. You've got a fair few options, 5 years up to 1 month, or delete after sending. You can auto mark as read after an email is sent, for example. It's a very good option if you're getting them sent to email. Saves you having them appear on the phone itself or the handsets. And the message transcription can be a voice to text service to generate previews and so forth. Another good option is to auto delete any blank messages. That's another one we recommend having on. Shared dial-in access is the ability to dial in from external or remote phones. Again, another advanced complex tool if need be. And then the time zone just allows you to get the appropriate timing for the above information so that you know exactly when they're calling in or when you miss the call. And once all your settings are set to how you would like them to set, again, you simply add voicemail and it will appear here. You can have up to, it will tell you how many voicemails you can have up to just here. Again, I'm 3 of 10. And if need be, I can delete any as need be by going into to configure actions, remove if I need to remove it. Again, it will do the countdown, and they're the 2 voicemails that I need, and it will show me the list of voicemails, and they'll stay in there for the period unless I choose to remove them. And that is all for this training. If you do need further assistance with voicemail setup or some professional recordings, do get in contact with our support team and we can assist.